Let's talk about a farmer. A farmer grows food and raises animals on a farm. Farmers grow many kinds of crops. Rice, wheat, corn, and vegetables are all common. To grow crops, farmers need good soil, water, and sunlight. The weather is very important too. Farmers plant seeds in the ground. They water the plants and watch them grow. Some farmers raise animals. Cows, pigs, chickens, and sheep are farm animals. Cows give us milk. Chickens give us eggs. These animals are important on a farm. Farmers use tractors and other machines. These machines make plowing and harvesting much faster. Harvest time is when farmers collect their crops. It is the busiest time of the year. Rice farming is very important. Rice paddies cover large areas of the countryside. Farmers start work very early in the morning. They work long hours in all kinds of weather. In summer, farmers work in the heat. In winter, they rest and prepare the soil. Farmers sell their crops at markets or to shops and restaurants. Fresh, local food is very good. Farming is hard physical work. It takes strength, patience, and knowledge of the land. Without farmers, we would have no food. It is one of the most important jobs in the world.